Today I want to talk about what not to do in Japan. So another popular topic. I'm gonna do another popular topic, and I thought about what not to do in Japan, but I can't think of many things. I think one of the reasons is Japanese people too understanding, and we trust you, we understand you. So even though you're from different country, different religion, and they will understand you. And so as long as they know how your custom is and how you behave is, and they will understand you as long as you're a foreigner. If you're Japanese, you have to use key, but it doesn't matter for a foreigner. But yeah, you don't become very close friends with Japanese people. That's the difficulty. But I came up with two things. One, I missed the page. Yeah, bright ideas. Yeah. So the one of them is do not underestimate cleaning time in Japan. That means it's not the ordinary cleaning time or anything. It's I'm talking about shops and restaurants. Before I came to England, I had a couple of months to not doing anything. So I started part-time work. I was working in a karaoke box, which provide 61 rooms. So every single group are provided one room in a karaoke box. So you don't have to listen to the people outside your group. You listen to the people from your group all the time. So this is how good Japanese karaoke is. If you think of karaoke in England, you have to listen to everyone, and sometimes it's annoying. So if you go to karaoke box, don't underestimate the cleaning time, because where I was working for was in Tokyo, but I was told cleaning time after one group leave, we are allocated cleaning time for 2 minutes. We have to, it's been called out, and we have to clean a room within 2 minutes. Anything outside 2 minutes is not acceptable. You have to do it within 2 minutes. But once and then there is a job for outside marketing. We go out and talk to people, pedestrians, and say, yeah, we are on a sale, we provide drinks, blah, 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 and then we provided unlimited drinks, and unlimited alcohol drinks if you pay more, and then all night for the minimum 980 yen, which is £5. So the karaoke box might be the cheapest way to stay in Tokyo, but you don't get blanket or anything. You can sleep there. So then yes, so I've spoken to two people in English, and I've spoken to one of them who was Asian, and I said that you can order drinks at unlimitedly, and the food is extremely cheap. 250 yen for one dish is ridiculous. It's cheap, cheap frozen foods. Then but and then the other one was a Western guy, and then I've spoken to him in English as well. They came as customers, and they took their own group, and one of them was people with a student, Korean students. When I opened the door, I didn't know when they came in. I was on the floor. When I opened the door, I recognized the person I've spoken to, and then he was singing a Korean song, and then they were eating. I think it was 3 people, but they were eating 6 dishes. And I was like, oh, you must be hungry. So it was very, it made me very warm. It warmed up very well, very much. Also, I've got the customer with Western people, and they've got 20 people in one room, and dancing all night. And but I didn't realize they were so bad. They danced on sheets, the non-sheets. They stood on sheets with their shoes, and they spilled their drink. So the room was very messy, and then I didn't realize it was so messy, and it took me 30 minutes, and it's more than acceptable. So don't underestimate the cleaning time. The other one is, do not judge English ability by hair color. Do not judge English ability by hair color. What that means, foreign people in Japan talk to blonde hair Japanese guys all the time. So if my friend in Japan, in Tokyo, were always complaining about the foreign people talking to him who can't speak English. And he was always complaining, why they are talking to me. No, and I said, because you have a blonde hair. And then I had a black hair. I was a woman, but I wasn't spoken to anyone. But only occasion I talked to someone in Tokyo in English is I addressed them because they were obviously lost, or they were obviously had difficulty communicating with Japanese people, and I have to butt in. And then so no one notices I speak English. But in Japan, what's happening is people with blonde hair is not natural blonde hair. So they dye their hair, and it's also if you want to become a good businessman and businesswoman, if you want to work in an office, or if you want to work, you shouldn't dye hair. So that means that you're good at English, and you get good qualification, and then you go to a good company, and then you don't dye hair. So the people with black hair is highly likely can speak English. Also, women, female, are more likely to be speaking English, because they go to college, 2 years college, 4 years college, have English section or English literature section or linguistic section. These departments are full of women, ladies, go to English university, study English or French or German or Chinese, and a language study filled with women. I think it's the university I went. Language section was 90%. I think 90% women, ladies. So, and then I've seen one of the professor's friend. She came to one of the courses and greeted with us, and she came back from America for a while, and then I was so astonished by her English, and I noticed her Japanese accent, but at the same time I couldn't understand her because she spoke too fast, and I couldn't catch up with her at the time. So, but she had black hair, and she looked like she doesn't speak English, but her English is very good, very good. So yeah, so that those 2 points I've spoken about. Yeah, I think that's 2 points I can think of. I play a new song now, so don't forget to subscribe, please.